Birds are some of the most stunning creatures on our planet, with their unique colors, intricate feather patterns, and graceful movements. By observing these feathered friends, we can learn a great deal about the natural world and its many wonders. Birdwatching, also known as birding, is a hobby that has been gaining popularity around the world. With the help of binoculars, spotting scopes, and field guides, birdwatchers are able to identify different species and observe their behaviors in the wild. But birding is not just a fun pastime, it also has a lot of educational value. Through birding, we can learn about the importance of conservation and the impact that humans have on the environment. We can also appreciate the beauty of nature and the diversity of life on Earth. There are over 10,000 species of birds on our planet, each with their own unique features and behaviors. From the colorful macaws of the Amazon rainforest to the majestic eagles soaring over mountains, each bird is a work of art in its own right. So, if you're looking for a way to connect with nature and discover the beauty of the avian world, grab a pair of binoculars and head outside. You never know what kind of feathered treasures you might find.